Hello to all. Today is World Environment Day, that is June 5, 2021. सांसें हो रही हैं कम, आओ पेड़ लगाएं हम. Environment is a combination of various physical, biological elements that affects the life of an organism. Every organism in this earth is surrounded by lot of things: plants, water, air, light, land, etc. So these surroundings of the organism, living and non-living things, constitutes its environment. Components of environment. There are two components, biotic and abiotic components. Biotic component includes all living organisms and abiotic component includes non-living organisms. So they both interdepend to each other. So why do we celebrate Environment Day? Every year, World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June to spread awareness, to encourage people to take action and to protect the environment. The World Environment Day 2021 theme is to ecosystem restoration. Ecosystem restoration is defined as a process of reversing the degradation of ecosystems such as landscapes, lakes, and oceans to regain their ecological functionality. In other words, to improve the productivity and capacity of ecosystem to meet the need of society. World Environment Day. The celebration began in 1972 and has grown to become one of the main vehicles through which the United Nations encourages positive action for the environment. Every year, participants, young and old, organize clean-up campaigns, art exhibits, tree planting drives, concerts, dance recitals, recycling drives, social media campaigns, and different contents as themes around caring for the plants. So, how to celebrate World Environment Day in lockdown period? Do some activities and promises with yourself. Plant a tree. If you have seeds with you in your house, you can place them in your garden and water them daily. Trees produce oxygen, which is essential for both humans and wildlife to survive. Planting a tree can restore the balance of the ecosystem and create a memory for you and your family. Recycle. Environment Day is an opportunity to teach our children about the recycling. Reduce, reuse, and recycle the material. Speak up. Take out your smartphone and share your views and importance of protecting the natural ecosystem. You can share the short video on YouTube and WhatsApp which can inspire others to take action. Watch films on environment protection. Read a book. You can read an online book on environment protection and increase your knowledge. Education is key to everything that you do for the ecosystem. Adopt a creature. You can adopt a creature online and bring it home once the lockdown period is over, so that it will also remind you about environment. So at the same time, you will also be able to rescue and take care of your favorite animals. Make list of to-do things. It can be keeping the surroundings clean, working with an NGO which fights against deforestation. So a small step to save the earth is in your hands. Do just one small thing today. Thank you.